Ronaldo from WooCommerce WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create and how to delete users into your WordPress website into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us. After this, go to WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, your domain plus WP admin or WP login into your browser address bar, enter with your username or email and password, and review this left sidebar of menus that every single WordPress website has on its dashboard. The amount of items right here may change according to the plugins you have installed, like Elementor, WooCommerce, for example, or any other, and change according to the theme that you are using. But by default, every single WordPress installation have a left sidebar menu called users. Normally it's between tools and plugins. And right here on users, you're gonna hover mouse over it and click into the submenu add new user. Right here we're gonna type the username, gonna be test. You're gonna type the email, test Visual Moro, for example. The email, you're gonna type your email right here. Then you can enter the first name, last name, website. You can generate a password. WordPress gonna generate for you one by default, and you can have an option to send the new user an email about their account. Change for subscriber from subscriber to. You can change the user that you are creating. You can choose the user rules, can be listing manager, shop manager, customer, subscriber, contributor, author, editor, or administrator. Just be aware that persons with this last four right here have more things to do on your site and more power over your site. So normally you're gonna create a subscriber. Click on add new user, and here is your new user. Okay, simple, right? Now, how to delete this user in the case that you don't want this person to have access to your site. Hover mouse over the users right here. Okay, so WordPress dev left sidebar of menus, users, click on it, find the user. You have an option to send, password reset, delete and edit. If you hover a mouse over it, we're gonna click on delete. You have specified this user for deletion. Here is the user. Confirm deletion. No more user. Simple, easy and fast. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.